Hello guys, Gameholic here, and right now I'm going to show you how to use CAD. So this is the website that we're going to use to roleplay on, of course. So what you want to type up is CAD GTA 5. And it should be this website, linespleasecad.com. So if you want to be a civilian, this is what I'll do. So then you'll type in your email address, password, and all that stuff. Okay, guys, Gameholic here, of course. And once you get in this civilian operations, I could add a new civilian. So I'm going to use Mason, and my last name could be Youth. And then you'll put in your date of birth, 15th December 1830. Address. So you don't really have to do an address because if you're homeless, of course. But when I say address, I want you to put in your address on GTA 5. So like, say you live in Eclipse Towers. You could say you live in Eclipse Towers, penthouse, whatever number. And that has to be exact, because then what if we go in as roleplay and yeah. And occupation, you can just say unemployed. Dress, I could just say San Vitus. Yep, that's it. Nope, it isn't. San Vitus apartment 17. Or apartment 4. Create driver's license. Yes. Firearm license valid. And create. Scroll too far. 1955. So I'm unemployed and all that. So Mason use. So look, and I can add new vehicle. Just follow that. We'll tell you all this in the interview if you forget about this. And yeah. So you can just go. And also we might. So this is the map. We obviously are going to use this map. So if you want to be more specific in your 911 thing, which will really, really help us, we'll use this map. But all cops, paramedics, and firefighters must use this, because we might need a map for like roleplay. And what if we don't know where that place is? We can use this map. So look, it could say Great Chapel, Rockford Hills. You see? Los Angeles International Airport. So that would be better if we can all use that map. And that's all I really need to tell you. For the civilian, of course. So now let's go back. And then police officer. Look, I'm here now. I'm sorry about those ads. And you can use this. So like, when we go in the Discord, when we do that, we're gonna, once we get in the civilian chat, you're gonna have to DM the cop, the civilian, about your person database. So please keep the LionsPoliceCAD.com app up at all times when you're role playing. So like your first name, Mason, youth, and then the 15th of December. Wait, what was it? 67, right? And then search. And yeah, so you can see how it says that. And then we can, like, I'm not completely sure how this part works. Yeah, you can revoke it. Issue citation. Your plate, the model, the fine, select, failure of maintain lane, dollar, there, and submit. I did. And yeah, so like, kind of like that, if you guys can see what I'm pointing at. We will have, so if you are a dispatch, we probably will need to use the 10 codes, and we will use the notepad as a cop, and here's a map again, all that stuff. And that's all for that. Now let's move to fire/emergency. So let's add a new person. Yep, you know how that works. And yep, it's basically the same for everything. And then dispatch, which is also the same as the cops. And that's it. So really, for the Lions Police CAD, that's really all we really have for it. So if you really want to join our server, the link will be in the description. And by the way, it's only for consoles. So if you're looking to RP as a console player, please join our Discord right now. I would really appreciate it. And don't think it's dead from our last video.